old are you, if you don't mind? 20? Guess, guess my age, bro. No, I am 21. 21. Hi, Hector. I miss you, Hector. Just kidding. Yeah, I'm 21. I'm older than you. You not missing me, Hector? No, no, no. When I study, I'm done to study, bro. So what course? What? Sorry? Hector, help me, Hector. What? Medtech. Find a sugar daddy. Just kidding, bro. Just kidding. Hector, by the way, Hector. Yeah, nice to meet you too. Hi, Hector. What are you doing right now? I'm working. Oh, every time you come to my voice or live, Hector, you're always working. Oh my God. I know. Philippines. I'm from Philippines. Philippines. Huh? No, I'm not. Philippines. I'm from Philippines. Igiatay, man ka. Uy, ang buti mo, uy. Yes, I know how to speak English properly. It's 10:30 a.m. here. Oh, really? Bye-bye.